Hey, if you have the issue with your Soundcore Space Q45 that they are keep disconnecting from your phone, I can recommend you to perform the hard reset of your device. That's the only way to fix this issue. So first on your device, when you are in the Bluetooth settings, you have to select your Soundcore Space Q45, click on the settings icon and click on this unpair or forget button. Then confirm and turn off Bluetooth on your device. Next, you have to move into your headphones. Grab both of them. That's the power button that we have to locate. This one, there we go. And also the volume up button, this one. So now click and hold both buttons when your headphones are turned on and wait until this indicator starts blinking red. There we go, right now it is blinking red 3 times. It's actually not good visible in the camera, but you will see it in the real life. Now they go to the pairing mode automatically, so you don't have to enter for the pairing mode manually. On your phone, activate the Bluetooth back and take a look for the available devices and select your Soundcore Space Q45. Accept the pairing and right now tell me if it works for you. If there's still the issue with the connection, definitely you have to use the warranty of the product because there's like biggest problem. And right now please subscribe to my channel and it's all, bye bye.